Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm Max, and I'm going to play on the Egg Fox and try to talk as much as I can. And now I'm currently holding a Thailand champion title, which is if there is like any major tournament, I would be representative as a Thai player. For example, like World MR.GO Championship, I would be represent as Thai player, as the only one Thai as to represent the Thai people. And normally I also doing a content as in Thai or sometimes I do it in Chinese. But this time I want to try to do it in English, which is not my mother's tongue. So I try to speak as accurate as I can. So please understand if I speak anything incorrectly. Okay, now back to the game. So normally I think I have some like this choice or even this choice or even cut choice. But today this feeling
Yo-yoing now starts.
I think I want to do the cut in this situation.
9, 8,
What about I do
7.
this first? Let me check his information first. Okay. This is Sunday. I could accept it. Oh, but now he's Tenagi. Which is I think I have to check the ladder
9,
first.
8,
Somehow
7,
this point should be a
6,
good
5,
ladder for him.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Anyway, I want to cut, so I going back to where I planned. But normally I'm in the Naidang level, but today I'm going down, so it's a good chance to speak in English. Otherwise, my brain will doing too much work and I can't speak it too much. But
9,
I will do it
8,
in later
7,
if I going back to Naidang
6,
anyway.
5.
Let's try. I try to. Oh, normally why is Hane here? It should be a normal Joseki.
9,
But this should be not a normal Joseki. What if I another
8,
pressure? So if you guys interested in my video, so please review. Please comment below.
Yo-yoing
So
now starts.
I can know that there's a lot of people some people that want me to do it in English, so I will consider doing it in English for
9,
more.
8, 7, 6,
So this
5,
should be.
4, 3, 2,
I think I
1.
could just close it. If I play the night moves, there will be another cut in the next few moves. So this Hane should be
9,
the next move should be the cut.
8,
So he tried
7,
to
6,
switch
5.
the side, which is the cut. And then if I capture, he could take the 2 stone and this group will be alive. So in
9,
this situation,
8,
I
7,
think if it's a call,
6,
should be
5,
a good call for him.
4,
So
3,
I think I could
2.
just let him do whatever he wants. If he Atari, I would just connect, and then he have to
9, 8,
making this group alive
7,
anyway.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, I just connect, and this group should be alive, which is like here or even just
9,
close also should be alive.
8, 7, 6, 5.
Okay, attach seem
9,
reasonable.
8,
I just
7, 6.
give him. Okay, you can do whatever you want. Oh, here
9, 8,
now it's a
7,
little bit too much.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What if I try to kill them? Aha.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I just kill him. I will just kill. Let's kill.
9, 8,
Let's kill.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 9, 8, 7,
Isn't
6, 5,
it dead?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Or do I misreading? Because if you
9,
do this and
8,
this, I can just
7,
here.
6, 5,
And the inside
4,
should be
2, 1.
dead already, I think. Oh, here. Oh, if I do this, you can do this.
9,
Cool. But if I
8,
do this, it's just
7,
dead, right?
6, 5, 4, 3.
It's just dead. So, okay. But this dead is just like
9.
how to say? We can call it dead, but it has a lot of liberty, so he might try to kill me in the corner or even this line.
8,
So it might
7,
still a chance for white, I
6,
think.
5, 4.
Oh ho! So what should I do
9,
with this then?
8, 7, 6,
I just
5.
try to make some eye. Because if I get to kill all this group, I think
9,
I could
8,
be happy with it.
7, 6, 5,
So
4, 3,
let's try.
2, 1.
Okay. Going out, Shin. If you want to play
9,
next, where would you play?
8,
Here
7,
or here?
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Anyway,
1.
Just ignore it. If he cannot kill me in the upper corner, I don't think
9, 8, 7,
cannot do
6, 5.
anything. No.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What about the shoulder hit?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
The shoulder
4,
hit mean like
3,
try to destroy
2.
the territory here. Oh, and he not even gave me a single one.
9,
Anyway, I just
8.
going down and destroy all the things. What about a honey? Aha.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
A cut? I just know you would cut, so I just give it. That is called a plan. So he will have to protect here, and then I something around here.
9, 8, 7.
Okay, I just making a life here. Should be good enough for me.
9, 8, 7, 6.
Okay, I will make another to make clear that I'm still already alive. Okay, this one space jump is too unacceptable
9,
for me. If I
8.
am white, I cannot do something like this. So anyway, so I think he might go back to kill this
9,
group,
8,
which is a little
7,
bit
6,
impossible.
5.
I think.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. This should be already alive.
9,
So I will
8,
just go out this way.
7.
Okay.
Nine.
How many liberty is this?
6, 5,
I think
4,
if
3.
the five, nine. How do you call it in English? The five. How to say?
9, 8, 7,
But-
6, 5.
Anyway.
4.
That should be 7 liberty, and then this is 8,
9, 8, 7,
I have to do it.
6, 5.
Should be
4.
10 liberty here.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, I
1.
could just say normally. I mean,
9,
if you play
8,
more
7,
deeper, it's also
6,
possible, but
5,
it might
4,
give your opponent a
3.
chance to use his thickness over here.
9, 8,
So I
7,
would just
6,
going back
5,
easily,
4.
happily like this. Okay. Okay, so he tried not to give me play happily, but I will just play as my plan. Should be okay for me. Okay, I just do whatever you want. Just do whatever you want, brother. Okay, I give you everything. This is too
9,
yummy.
8, 7,
Too big.
6, 5, 4,
Okay. He's trying to kill me again. But I will
9.
just jump. Try to making a life a good life.
9, 8,
Okay, I think I could even consider something like this, but just whatever. I will just play easily. Okay, he tried to cut me. Oh, it's understandable. Okay. But at least I have like 7 liberty already. So even if I have to go back to capture all those group, I think I still good with it. So I try to go back. Can you keep me go back, please?
9,
Oh, she's not giving me going back. So
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
what about the honey?
8, 7,
Oh,
6,
I don't think this is a good
5,
move. I just
4,
saw it. He
3,
could do this.
2, 1.
Oh. And then I would just okay. Okay, Atari should be good for me.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
So I just going back then.
9, 8, 7,
Atari.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 Byoyomis
This
left.
should be something that I can do.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I kind of fight, so I would just connect first. Okay, so I can Atari, and then I could just go back.
9, 8,
I think my
7,
connect here
6,
is
5,
Sende.
4, 3.
So I just connect, and then I can going up, and then I can throw it over here.
9, 8,
So
7,
should be
6, 5,
GG.
4, 3, 2, 1.
He might have to cut, and then the last chance is he tried to kill the whole group here.
9,
Because
8,
my every group is already
7,
alive, so the only chance
6,
to kill is
5,
this group.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I just going out. Okay. So can I try to just
9,
making a life here?
8,
Okay. And then
9,
he might
8,
try to
7,
get in,
6,
but how to
5,
get in is a good
4,
problem. Or if I try to kill him,
9,
he might honey.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I try to make
Last
sure.
Byoyomi. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So I just cut. Okay, he do like this. But the point
9,
is,
8,
I don't have to kill it
7,
all. I
Six,
just need
five,
to make a life.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, just cut first. And basically, I also can connect, I think. I mean, I can going out over here.
9,
But
8,
to be
7,
clear,
6,
I
5,
think I could just
4, 3,
make an
2,
2i
1.
here. Okay. Okay, I just give everything up and then making 2i's and should be good game.
9,
Okay, I give you everything that you want.
9, 8,
Okay, I just
7, 6,
Can I even
5,
Tanuki?
4,
But
3,
it's a little bit too much. I think.
2, 1.
Okay, I will just
9,
be reasonable.
8, 7,
Okay, this will be good enough to make a life.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So he's still trying to kill here. Okay.
Nine,
But this game,
8,
you
7,
could see like there's a lot of
5,
reading skill. So
4, 3,
Hmm.
2, 1.
if you want a
2
fun game
yo-yos
like this,
left.
you have to work on your reading skill and you have to solve your
9,
problem.
8, 7,
And if you guys
6.
want a lesson, I also take the student as well. So if you have like interesting, you can
9,
contact me via
8,
this Facebook
7,
or YouTube or
6, 5,
maybe
4,
Line or
3,
anything that you
2.
are happy with it or convenient with it. Okay. Okay. Please resign.
9,
I have to say like this
8,
now.
7,
What if I just play
6.
here and how he could try to kill me then? I don't think he stands a chance anymore
9,
right now.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, I just connect, then you have to connect, and then I make another eye here, and if he destroy, I can just Atari. So
9,
this game is over.
8, 7,
So please.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Okay. So
9,
please
8,
subscribe to my
7,
channel to help
6,
me growing
5,
up, and then I can do a
4,
lot more to
3,
this video, and
2.
I could do some new things about Go in the future.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Just connect then.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
No way.
4,
I think he might
3,
try to kill me all the
2.
way like this.
1.
Hey, but I can just going down, which is if he making the eye, I can just close. So
9, 8,
so
7, 6,
I'm wondering
5,
why
4,
he's still not.
3, 2, 1. Last Byoyomi.
I think he have to resign. Okay, so this game is a good game for me, and luckily I won this game. So hope you guys enjoy it, and please subscribe to my channel. And next video, see you in next video.